Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our course. I am very excited and glad that you have reached up to this point at our final lecture. That means you have paid close attention along the way in the course and you learned all the information, and now you have anything and everything that is necessary in order for you to transform Amazon Video Direct into your own online business of selling videos into Amazon's huge marketplace. Now, just before letting you go and start your own Amazon Video Direct business, I wanted to have like a short section or lecture of conclusions regarding what you have learned in this course, which are the future opportunities, and how you can go out of this course and look for new opportunities too. So first of all, as you have seen and what I have understood from Amazon launching this service is that the online videos and movies marketplace is booming, and so is the e-learning industry. And big players like Amazon are starting to jump in the trend. So be aware of other players coming into the marketplace, because if you are on ground zero, as you have seen, it can be a huge opportunity. Amazon is one of the largest marketplaces and corporations in the world. And if they jumped in this industry, it's clearly a trend that will boom in the next years. Another thing is that if you create high quality content that can be distributed on different platforms and it can be easily monetized, you will have success for sure. So you will be able to monetize your content and make money out of it by practically publishing it on different platforms. You just have to do your thing, okay? Create a high quality content that is attractive to people, that teaches them something valuable, and you will have no problems in monetizing it. Then a lot of people are scared of using new platforms, but you should not be scared of using new platforms, because there are different solutions that allow you to adapt to them, different softwares, okay, different things that you think about. Just like for Amazon Video Direct, for example, at the first site, you wouldn't be able necessarily to publish courses on Amazon Video Direct, but by using the episodic type of video, you can do that. Okay, so there are different solutions to publishing your content. So do not be afraid to use new platforms, because it can be a great opportunity. And finally, of course, something that we have stated all along this course and now in the conclusion section, jump on new opportunities at first sight. You don't know who might be the next big deal. So exactly like there were people that jumped in on Facebook and created huge followings in the beginning, on Instagram is the same thing, on YouTube is the same thing. People that published courses on Udemy just in the beginning, or on Skillshare or on other platforms. This is what happens with new platforms. Not all of them will be big hits, but if you are publishing your content on all of the new platforms, one of them will get in the top, and you will be there from the beginning, creating a huge following and practically taking your business to the next level. So jump in new opportunities, because you never know which one of them might turn out to be your greatest decision up to this point. So guys, thank you very much for being here with me in this course and in this final lecture. I hope this course was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask them in the question dashboard. I would love to connect with you, so reach out to me on Facebook or the other social media platforms. Of course, if you loved this course, I would like to know your feedback. Please take 1 or 2 minutes to leave a rating and a review for future students and for me as a feedback. I would really much appreciate that, and I am looking forward to see your success on Amazon Video Direct. Thank you very much again for your attention. I wish you all the best. Bye bye for now, and see you in future lectures and courses. Sorin here.